Okay, this is the fourth camera of me pulling the fire on. Hear that?
Today we're going to test the fire alarm system. As you can see, we're going to test the fire alarm system in a few minutes. As you can see, we're going to test the fire alarm in a few minutes. Get prepared for the fire drill. Thank you.
So you heard that. Sorry for my sister yelling in the background, but I'll turn my volume up. This is the fourth camera that I captured. It should go off any second now. Any minute now. There we go. Let's turn that down.
Attention please, there has been a report of an emergency. Proceed calmly to the nearest exit and leave the building immediately. Do not use the elevator. Use stairwells where necessary. All handicapped occupants shall use the building evacuation plan. Attention please, there has been a report of an emergency. Proceed calmly to the nearest exit and leave the building immediately. Do not use the elevator. Use stairwells where necessary. Do not use the elevator. Calmly to the nearest exit. The building immediately.
Oh, there we go. It's silenced or reset. And there we go for the fourth camera.